Hello students, you're welcome once again. Today we solve more questions on AP, which is arithmetic progression. Now let's take a look at this question together. The third and eighth terms of an AP are -9 and 26 respectively. Find the common difference and the first term. So how can we find this question? How can we solve this question? How can we solve this question? Now let's start from the first statement. The third and eighth term of an AP are -9 and 26 respectively. Now you need to understand that the third term is called T3, which will give you a plus bracket n minus 1 d equals to L. A is first term, n is number of term, and d is common difference, while L is the last term. So what are we going to do here? You remember that we are given n, which is 3. A is not given. 3 minus 1. D is not given. And the last term is given as -9 for third term, if you read the question very well. Now, from here we can have A plus bracket 3 minus 1 will give us 2. D equals to -9. This is now 8, this is 9, -9. So this will give us A plus 2D equals to -9. You call this equation 1. Now the second question, the second statement is the eighth term of an AP will be 26. Eighth term. So eighth term, T8, will give us A plus bracket n minus 1D equals to L. A plus bracket 8 minus 1D equals to what? 26. And this will give us A plus 7D equals to 26. So this will give us equation 2. Now you can see that there's no way you can run away from any topic in mathematics because they are all friends, they all link together. So this will lead us to simultaneous equation. If you don't understand simultaneous equation, you can search for simultaneous equation on our YouTube channel, MS Arithmetic Online Home Lesson, and you get video on simultaneous equation in order for you to get the in-depth of simultaneous equation. So let's bring these two equations together. We are going to have A plus 2D equals to -9, A plus 7D equals to 26. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now, I love using substitution method. Some students love using elimination method, but I love using substitution method. Whichever method you love using, you can use. Now, doing this, we are going to make a subject of the formula in equation 2. So to make a subject of the formula, just say A equals to -9 minus 2D. How do we get that? Call this equation 3. What I simply did here is A is here, equals to still remain, -9 still remain here. The only thing I move here is plus 2D. And when this plus 2D cross to this other side, it turns to -2D. So that is how I solve it. Now, the next thing now is substitute for A in equation 2. Substitute for A in equation 2. This is not just English. Anywhere you see A in equation 2, you replace it with what? -9 minus 2D. That's what simply means. So in equation 2, we have A plus 7D equals to 26. So now we want to replace this. A will give us -9 minus 2D plus 7D equals to 26. So this will give us -9 -2 plus 7 will give us plus 5D equals to 26. So 5D will give us 26 plus 9, because there is minus here. When it crosses to this side, it turns to plus 9, and that is what we call collecting like term. So let's add this. 5D equals to getting 1 here. This will give us 35. Divide this by 5. Divide this by 5. So D will give us 7. So now this is telling you that the common difference is what? Is 7. Now the question said find common difference and first term. So we want to find the common difference, the first term. Now to find the first term, you have to go back to equation 3. Equation 3 is a equals to -9 minus 2d, which will give us equation 3. So let's solve this. A equals to -9 minus 2d. Okay, this will give us a will be -9 minus 2 bracket 7, because d is 7. So a will give us -9 minus 2 times 7, 14. So a will give us add 9 to 14. We are going to get 6 here, 23. So the answer will give us -23. I believe you understand that. Okay, in case you find it difficult, you can always go back to this video, watch all over again, and if you see any challenges, always get back to us via YouTube channel, via WhatsApp number rolling on the screen, and we will surely get back to you. I'm still coming back to give you more questions. Remember, I told you that we are here for you to make mathematics very simple for you. Thank you. I'll be right back.